They were what I call a one-stop shop. They did everything for us in one go. Like, I could go to a competitor and left name one, say, a Spectrum, but they're a big company. I can't get to talk to a human being. When we were dealing with Hotwire, we dealt with the people in the background. We negotiated the contract with the people that represented Hotwire. And I just found it very easy to deal with. That's all I can tell you. That's my experience. That's how it's worked. And it's been very good for us. The consistency is the customer service. We've been there. If somebody, one of your staff went on maternity leave. Before they went on maternity leave, they were telling us up front, this is the next person that's going to be dealing with you. And I have to say, even after the baby was born, she was still sending me some emails. So she was very committed to her job. So that, to me, was the consistency that I've experienced. And, people want to talk about the bad things. The bad thing that can go wrong is you can have an outage. We've had some outages, but they're not related to Hotwire. It's typically, like the major one I remember is there was a major crash on the highway which damaged one of the fibre cables. And that's not Hotwire's fault, that's not our fault. But again, they informed us, they told us what the problem was. We were able to tell all the residents, look, the outage is not due to bad service, it's due to an accident in the area. So again, having that quick communication to us, we were able to relay to our owners and our tenants. That's pretty good.